In this video, we will learn how to fix Zendesk provisioning error while verifying if user exists. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications. Go to the General tab, and in App Settings, click Edit. For your Zendesk company name, and make sure it is the correct name, now go to Dashboard, then Tasks. From here, type in the user account for the application and click Filter. Select the application, then the error, click the box and retray selected. Now go back to Applications, then Applications, search for the Zendesk application, and verify the user appears on the list. Click Edit on the user account and verify the external ID. Navigate to the Zendesk console under People and Team Members. Refresh to verify the user is on the list. And that is how to fix Zendesk provisioning error while verifying if user exists. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.